White cat. Max bet. 2 multipliers. Come on. One more. There we go. Come on, multipliers. Queens and tens. Come on, matchup. Wow. Now no multiplier, of course. Multiplier. Such huge potential. One more. Yeah. Needed about 50 more of those. Got 2 more spins left. Last spin. Jacks. Good win. I have no clue. We're gonna do this. $10. Never played this game, so. $10 again. 3 more spins. Oh, retrigger. Red, green. Last spin. $55.92. Alright, that's good. We're gonna go the same one. And we'll do this. There we go. Green. $43. Sorry, I'm not allowed to record and everybody keeps walking around. Green, $5. Green, $42. And last spin, I think. Oh, sugar. $114.96. Good one. $5 bet. The major's $3,200. But we're still gonna do free spins. Wild. Times 6. That's $100. Do that 5 more times, I'll be happy. Wild, wild, wild. Here come. Here comes security, so. If y'all can't see it, I'm sorry. last spin. Wild boats. $147. Big win. Not spins. $6 bet. Max bet on that game right there. Need a massive one. So close. Three wilds in the middle, please. Last one. No 5 of a kind. Good winner. Not bad. Let's get the grand. Major, $500 plus spins. Alright, either one of those. Let's not pick. Just give me one of that. Aww. Don't give me. Yep. Oh, I got the monitor. $50. $58. And I get free spins. Alright, let's get a huge hit. If I'm not showing the screen, I'm sorry. Security knows I'm recording. That's a decent one. Big winner. $82. Let's do that again. Oh, you gotta line up something. 12, 15. Come on, one more. That should be good. Yeah, that is good. I needed 3 more dragons at the end to be amazing. Dun, 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 dun. We have 2 more spins. Let's see if we can do that one more time. Alright. So 5 of a kind is $20 a line. Last spin. Give me something on the last spin. I'm greedy. It gave me 20 cents. I think that was pretty good. What was that, 100 and, I don't know, 60 times my bet? But, amazing win. This is right after my other jackpot. Good one. Okay, bell ringer.